Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome back to our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to do revision the first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Okay students, already you have completed the two chapters. So upcoming your unit test, so you have to prepare, we have to do the revisions. The first chapter will start now. So today we are going to continue to revision, that is the first chapter, that is the knowing our numbers. Already we have studied about this chapter, and once you will repeat whatever that, if any doubt or you can rectify itself. Okay, so now students observe here, I have written some questions, so very carefully observe that, and you should same way you should do practice. First question I have written, write the numerals. That means students, it has given the name of the numbers. You should write it, what is the number, you should write. You read this number and write down. Okay. So first of observe that students, 16 crore 40 lakh 10,249. Okay students, once read it. 16 crore 40 lakh 10,249. That means you have to understand this is Indian place value chart, Indian system. So Indian number system. So you have to, according to that, you have to use the comma and you can write also. So students, first of all observe 16 crore. Here one period is there, crore periods. You observe lakh also is there, 1000, 10,000 is there, and 100 after it is there. So four periods we have observed here. Okay. So first of all we have to write that this number. How much given? 16 crore. So first write down the 16. Why I should write the 16? Because given that 16 crore. So 16 we should write it. It is a crore place. So crore after we have to give the comma. Okay students. Next 40 lakhs. So period, this is 40 lakhs also we can write like this 40. So this is a lakh period. From the left we are going crore. So 16 crore. Next lakh period. So 40 lakh is there. Next 1000 period. So 10,000 is there. So students observe here 10,000. Okay. Yes, 10,000 249. Are you clear students? Observe here. First, according to that Indian place value chart, 16 crore after comma, next lakh after comma, next also 1000 after comma. So I have written that according to the periods, I have written these numbers. Okay. Same like students observe here also given 7 crores. This is also Indian place value chart because crore is there. So first of all write the 7 crores. So crore after comma, because this is crore period. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs means you have to write that 0 next to 2 lakh because this is 10 lakh period. So don't write that anything because only 2 is given. So you have to give the 0. Next 87. That means lakh after 1000 not there. This 1000 period is 00 cube. Next 100 place not there, 0. Next 87. Okay students. So like that way you have to understand, and whatever that given there crore, lakh, you have to remember that students. The period wise crore, next lakh, next 1000, next ones. So like this way from the left to right you have to remember. If this place double two places are there already, we have told already, and this is 3. So observe students, if these two places number it is there, not there, if it tens place, then you should keep the 0. Like that way also we can mark it. So if that 7 suppose crore, lakh, 1000 ones, so 7 crores. So this is 7 crores, you have to 0. So no need to write here 0. Next 2 lakhs, so 0 to 2 lakhs. Crores, thousands not there, 100 also not there. So 87. So that means 87 also you can write like this. Okay, this way also you can do. Okay students. Now students, observe here it is given. Second bit, write the number names. Okay students. Here first of all you should mind it. According to our place value chart, Indian place value chart, here comma also given. So that means this is ones, this is thousands, this is lakh, this is crore. Okay friends, so there are 4 periods already it has given, and you should write like that way. Okay, so now crore place 7 is there, so we can write 7 crore. Lakh place 23 there, so 23 lakh. Thousand period is there, 56 is there, so 56,000. 7 1 place 708, so we can write direct 700. Are you clear friends? So first of all you should mention the periods, then which periods what is the numbers, according to that you write and go. Okay, now same as it you have to do also this. This is ones period, this is thousands, this is lakh. So what is the name? You can write it. This is lakh, this is thousands, this is ones. So 27 lakh okay. Next 57,000 and 2. Okay, because ones period not there, only 0 0 is there, so 2 only you can write. Okay friends, I hope you have understand this, how to write the numerals and how to write the number names. Already I have told them in 2 bits, compulsory should do practice these students. Next third bit you should see students, find the difference between place values of 2 7s. 7s means 7s means plural s, that is 7. 2 7 is there. Observe friends, here 1 7 is there, here 1 7 is there. So what is the place value? So students, already I have told the number, the digits which place is there, that means that number into that place value. That means observe students, I will do here, write down the solution. The given number, what is that students? 78 crores 65 lakh 49,756. Okay students, now what is the place value of a 7? First 2 7 is there, so different place value is there. Place value means first underline that digit, which place is there. This is, now this is 100 place is there, so that means the place value of this 7 is 700. Now which place this is? Now this is 10 crore place, so that means 70 crores is the place value of 7. That means we can write the place value of first 7. First 7 is, this is first 7 you can say. So this first 7 is how much adjustments here? That is 7 10 crores place is there, so 70 crores 70,000 crores. Okay students, observe this is here right side how many digit also is there, you can see that, and you can keep 0 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If you are confusion, then 7 after right side how many digits are there, that many zeros you can keep. Now place value of second, the place value of second 7. Okay, second 7 is this, so this is 100 place, so what will write it is 700. Okay students, so now we have to the difference. The difference is equal to, you should subtract two students. Okay, so 0 here, 0 here, it will carry like that, then it will come here, last it will come 10. If you carry here this 10 means 9, like that here 10, here all it will come up to here, this it will become 10. 7 means 3, and remain all 9, here 9, here 9, here 9, here 9, here 6. So write down that students, 9 9 9 9 9 6. So this is our answer. Okay students, so I hope you have understand this, and the remaining part of that we will do the next video. Okay, you should practice well and write the same type of problems also you see in your textbook and practice also. Okay, thank you all.